What is up, YouTube? Today we are going to be teaching you all how to make some samosas, Mama FATS style. This is the South African way of doing things. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this video, and leave a comment below if you have any tips or tricks on this recipe. So the first step here, as you can see, is you're going to want to peel the egg roll pastry and fold it into triangle pillows. Second, you stuff it with filling. And third, you seal it and coat it with flour and water paste. And you're going to want to freeze them for at least 2 hours.
And the fifth step is to fry them.
And once you get it to a boil, you're going to want to flip them over to make sure you get both sides evenly cooking. And once these samosas start to brown and char is when you want to take them off the stove.